Good morning, guys. So we've had our Kaspa miner, our Bitmain Antminer KS5 Pro 21 terahash unit down for about 2 weeks now. We did the control board replacement as well as the power supply replacement and got it back up and hashing, which is absolutely awesome. But I need to get it back up and running over at my ASIC shed so we can continue stacking more Kaspa. Quick pit stop at Sheetz for a little Celsius. Put a little pep in my step. All right, off to the shed. All right, we made it over to our crypto mining shed. Let's step inside, try to talk a little bit louder. So this is where we're gonna get our KS5 Pro reinstalled right next to the other one that we have here. This is actually a newer batch versus the one that we're replacing. So let's head out to the car and get this big boy. All right, so I set these up to be rather modular actually. So you can see back in here, we have our coupler with our hose clamp. So we're gonna slide it back, pushing the shroud directly into it, tighten it up. And then the nice thing is these shrouds actually have a hole to screw it down to lock it into place. The same thing with the inline fan. So one screw on the inline fan, one screw on the shroud, and then the screw on the back of the hose clamp keeps it entirely in place, especially doesn't move around with vibrations. Last thing I like to do, there's a critter guard in each of these, and then there's actually a flap here you guys can see. So I like to go ahead and tack up that flap just to create less resistance for the airflow. You can see I did it right on that one. That's what I like to see. Back up and hashing us some Kaspa. Normal all the way across the board, which is fantastic, at 21 terahash. Another miner up and running.